This is not normal. It's never happened before. The Senate is poised right now to break another barrier.
History on Capitol Hill. Confirmation hearings just getting underway for President Biden's pick of the Supreme Court. Judge Ketanji Brown Jackson, the first black woman ever nominated to the highest court. A friend and a colleague of Judge Jackson who introduced her happens to have some strong connections here to Utah. News specialist Dan Rascone has a story now. He joins us live. And Dan, we're talking about a judge here who didn't always agree with her.
Yeah, that's right, Mike. Thomas Griffith, who is a BYU graduate, says he even disagreed with her on a few of the rulings that she made, but he says she is very well qualified and should be sitting on the bench of the nation's highest court.
This is a really good human being.
Judge Thomas Griffith speaking to me via Zoom.
Today, I have the high honor to introduce Judge Ketanji Brown Jackson.
After just leaving the hot seat, sitting before dozens of senators at our nation's capital, introducing his friend and colleague, Judge Ketanji Brown, during the confirmation hearing of the country's first black woman to the U.S. Supreme Court.
She's highly qualified to be on the Supreme Court. I mean, there's just no question.
Judge Griffith, a former U.S. Court of Appeals judge, is a graduate of BYU and also was a university's general counsel. He and Judge Jackson are very good friends, but he admits they don't always see eye to eye.
She and I have different views about a number of things.
But he says she's the right person for the job.
We're better off with having vigorous debates conducted respectfully.
She's had a stellar career. She's got impressive credentials.
Senator Mike Lee from Utah, who spoke this morning during the hearings, says he's very impressed with Judge Jackson. But he says this is only day one.
We want judges who are there to decide each case based on the law and what the law says, and not based on external criteria.
One thing he's concerned about, Judge Jackson's lighter sentences on some child pornography cases.
She has imposed sentences that are consistently considerably below the guidelines recommended sentences. And we want some answers to our questions about why that has happened.
The hearings are expected to wrap up on Thursday evening, but the senators may not be voting for another week or so.